Do you want to hear something crazy? You have the skills right now that could make you thousands of dollars on Etsy, maybe tens of thousands, and you might not even realize it. And this is not wood carving or embroidery or watercolor art. It could be the everyday stuff. It's the tools, the templates, the spreadsheets, the designs that you made for your kids' soccer team. That's what people are buying. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on Etsy using the exact skills and things you already have. No new equipment, no waiting until you are a design expert. Think about what you have built in your life. You can turn it into digital products that you can then sell on autopilot. For example, did you ever make a budgeting spreadsheet to stay on top of your bills? Did you make a checklist to help you get out of debt? Did you create a brand kit for your business or maybe your friend's side hustle? You don't necessarily need to reinvent things. You might just need to repurpose them for other people. One of my students made a Canva template to help her freelance clients organize social posts for their launches, but now she actually sells this template on Etsy, and she sold this one template over 300 times. Another student, she started listing PTA flyers and things that she had already made for her kids' schools. She added a few new color schemes. She positioned them for different types of schools, different ages, and turned that into downloads. And now she has over 18,000 orders. The thing is, people aren't paying for complexity. They're not looking for something that's such like a unicorn product that they've never seen before. They are paying for solutions. They're paying for ways to save time, save money, or make money. So if you've already made something once, logo guide, mood board, Looker Studio dashboard for your team, you can repackage it and sell it. Like, have you ever designed a poster for a fundraiser? Do you have checklists that you use for your team or your family? Those are all digital products. Maybe you have great spreadsheets for tracking your monthly business expenses, or maybe it's your personal expenses. The key here is to look at what you already use to make money, save time, and then repackage it for someone else who wants that shortcut too. I know what you're thinking, but Dylan, who would buy this when they could make it for themselves? Listen, people on Etsy, they are looking for fast solutions. They don't want to make it themselves. Do you know how many people don't want to try to figure out how to make something in Canva? Most people would rather just buy it. One of my favorite examples was someone who made teacher appreciation things. She did it for her kids' teachers, and then she sold it on Etsy. But she's getting hundreds and hundreds of sales with one thing that she simply made for herself to start with. And this is the power of replication. You can do something once, and then you can get paid over and over and over again. You've probably made your first bestseller product, and you didn't even realize it. I'm gonna rapid fire some more examples because I think a lot of people get stuck on ideas. So how about some certificates that you've made for your kids? Maybe your kids are getting homeschooled, you've made different resources for them. Maybe certificates for your kids' teams, those sell like crazy. Maybe you've made packing checklists for when your kids go to camp. Maybe you've made birthday party invitations or teacher welcome packets or classroom decor. All of that is highly in demand on Etsy. So you don't need a niche to start. You simply need to start with what you have. Action creates momentum. And I teach this in our course that it's not about creating a niche or niching down. It's about building a product mix that can serve a customer in different areas of their life. Today, we're talking about a product mix that is based on real tools and things that real customers are paying for. So start with what you've already done. That is the fastest way to get traction. And if you want another tip, this is a good one if you have a business, look through all of your lead magnets or free downloads or freebies or anything that you've made to build your email list or for your clients. Because if they converted someone on that once, it will convert someone again. You can literally sell that for $1 on Etsy. My challenge to you today is to take just 20 minutes to go through your files, go through Canva, go through your Google Drive, go through your client folders, go through your desktop downloads, and find just 3 things that you've made for yourself that have solved a problem for you. Pick one of those, clean it up, make it a little prettier, take out your personal information, and upload that listing to Etsy. Do not overthink this. You're not launching a perfect shop today, but you can get started with a profitable one with just one thing. Now, if you are wanting to learn more about what you could be selling on Etsy, I would love to invite you to jump on a free call with my team to learn more about how we could help you get started or scale your current shop on Etsy. And this call is totally free and will take you through what our Ultimate Etsy course and coaching looks like and what getting that actual personalized guidance where we are helping you with your specific products in your shop, and we'll take you through exactly what it looks like. You can see all of our students. We'd love to invite you to book that free call. So we will put the link below and we look forward to chatting with you soon. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe, hit the like button. I would love to know if you liked this so I'll keep making more similar ones.